The Price is Right train is chugging out the next prize. It's a coffee package. Brew your favorite beans with this one-touch automatic espresso machine with frothing wand or this 12-cup thermal programmable coffee maker. One grinder included from Cuisinart.
Thank you, Manuela. Thank you, James. Emily, start with you. What do you think?
$5.99.
$5.99. Good luck, Brad.
$1,000.
$1,000. Sean.
805. $1.
Whoops. All right, Erica, how much for a new one, Erica? No discounts. I need the actual retail price of a brand new one.
$6.11.
$6.11. Alrighty. Wow. Look, they almost have it all cleaned up. Look how quick those guys are. It's pretty amazing. Yeah, man. Well, won't be seeing the old Price is Right train for a while. Nothing to see here, folks. Actual retail price is $1,050.